Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. According to the latest news, the specs of the next generation Xperia 1 Mark-7 will be modestly improved but no degenerate. Information about Sony's next generation flagship smartphone, tentatively named the Xperia 1 VII, expected to be released in 2025, has become a hot topic on the Chinese social media platform, Weibo. According to the post, the next model will not have any particularly exciting improvements, but it also seems to provide some reassurance to users. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Downgrading the previous model, Xperia 1 VI, causes controversy. First, we would like to point out that the specification change of the previous model, Xperia 1 VI, caused a debate among users. Previously, the Xperia 1 series differentiated itself from other companies by adopting a 4K display. However, the Xperia 1 Mark-7 downgraded the resolution to FHD+ and changed the screen aspect ratio from the traditional 21:9 to 19.5:9. This decision led some fans to say that Sony's identity has been lost. According to information on Weibo, the Xperia 1 VII will not be downgraded like last year's model, and the basic specifications are expected to be maintained. This is likely to be a relief for users who were dissatisfied with the specification changes in the previous model. However, the poster commented that there are no particularly exciting improvements, and there is little hope for innovative new features or major spec improvements. What changes are in camera performance? Regarding the camera, it is stated that only one sensor will change, so a slight upgrade is expected. However, detailed specifications and specific changes to the sensor have not been revealed. What is noteworthy here is that it is unlikely that the main camera's XMORT sensor will change in just 2 generations. Therefore, if there is a sensor change, it is likely to be the sensor for the telephoto camera or wide-angle camera. Sony's Xperia series has a strong fanbase thanks to its uniqueness and differentiation in the high-end market. However, in recent models, specification changes and a decline in competitiveness have been pointed out, and it is unknown whether the Xperia 1 Mark-7 will be able to restore the reputation of the series. In particular, the key will be how much the selling points of the Xperia series, such as the display and camera performance, have improved. On the other hand, the modest evolution means that it is unlikely that the Xperia 1 VII will feature a 4K resolution display again. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.